This first marcaje is made by just golpe and slide. Okay, so we do do, un, do, tre, y. And we jump a little bit on this planta. So do, un, do, tre, planta. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so there's a difference in between this side where we just slide, we place again the foot, and here, pa, pa, we do a planta, and we let our body fall onto that planta. So 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is the step that is repeated all the time in a loop. What changes the way we do the palmas in between. We are playing with the tiempos, with the accents. So we stay here and we do this step as round as possible, which means we use palma sorda, not like this, open, but palma sorda. And we do pa, I, a, I, a, I, a, a. Pa, I, a, I, a, I, a, pa, pa, pa. Do, un, do, tre, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, ocho, nueve, diez. Y, pa. So let's see how we play with the palmas using contratiempos. We have two different ways in one compás. Half compás done in one way and the second half in another way. First one. Do, I, un, I, do, pa, pa, pa. We do palma, palma, golpe, and then I, I. Again, do, I, un, I, do, I, tres, cuatro, cinco. Do, un, I, do, pa, 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 I, I. Pa, pi, pa, pi, pa, ta, ka, ta. Pi, pi. Pa, pi, pa, pi, pa, ta, ka, ta. Pi, I. This is the first one, which means we are doing this before this leg. So, pa, pi, pa, ta, ka, ta, ta, ka, ta. The second one is pa, pi, pa, pi, pa. These two palmas are before the planta, okay?